Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Well, LIFW. Now, the interesting thing is there was no news that anybody could find out about this one today. And this one, in the pre-market, it did absolutely nothing. That mauve area, tan area right here is our pre-market. It really didn't do anything. Here's the first candle at 9:30. I mean, a little bit of a move. And then after that, it went from 321 before it pulled back, got up to 1750. And on basically no news, okay? There was really no news that anybody in our trading room could find. So where I found it first was right here. This is in my 10-day daily breakout right at 10:03. So even half an hour after the market opened at 4:45. Now you might have thought, well, that's way too late. Well, is it? I mean, you're giving up this, but it went from 4:45 from that alert again before it pulled back. I mean, it had a little bit of a pullback, got up to 950 here, pulled back to 7 something, rested, and then before it pulled back at all, got all the way up to 1656. And again, this is just all it is just from my 10-day daily breakout, something really, really simple with high abnormal volume. The volume, it has what we call a 22 relative volume, meaning it's trading 22 times normal up to this time of day based on what it's done on average up to this time of day. So that's where we found it, and I know a lot of people in the trading room took that trade. So we're in the test drive now, guys. You will see a link for the test drive. There's still time to sign up. So have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.